Hey everyone, in this class we'll see how we can compress and extract the files in Linux environment. So let's quickly start. Let me open up my terminal, and here I'm using the Ubuntu file system, not file system, Ubuntu VM actually. So what we can do, I'll simply create a directory mkdir, or no need to create a directory. Already I have some directories, like I have this Python. So if you want to just compress this directory, so you can use the tar command. So tar expects multiple options like cvzf. C is for compression and V is for verbose mode. To simply show you what are the list of files is getting compressed, and Z if you need extension of .cz. Okay, and this is the simplified which will be passing. So you can do like this tar.gz and give the Python. Yeah, so in this way you can simply compress any directory which you need. And if I see the difference in the size, you can see du-sh and the file name. You can see 29 MB, and this you can see actually it will be around something 100, yeah, 113 MB. So in this way, you can simply compress and decompress the files. So I will simply show you how you can just extract the files. So for that, you have a command tar-xuzf, C for compression, X for extraction, and give the tar gz, and yeah. Here you go. And if you go in cd python and ls, yeah, here you have all the files present. So this is a very easy way to compress and extract the files. Make sure you remember this command if you need in your job or anywhere. So we have some other options also. We have like zip command as well. So if you want to zip this directory, so we'll be using zip command, zip, and the name which you want to give. I want to give .zip and the directory, and with that we need to provide -r option, and yeah, in this way you can see the one zip directory. So if I check the size, so it will be 31 MB. So we can try to extract this also. If I do rmf python, sorry, not this one, yeah, and do unzip, let me just copy the name, yeah. So if I do ls-l and go in python directory, so you can see all the files present here. So this is a way to just compress and decompress or extract the files in the Linux environment. So I'll show you one more important command which works with the files. Suppose if you want to simply compress some files, not directory. So with that also we can do. If you want to go in files, and you can see three files I have. So you can use zip command and you can give star. So if I do ls-l, it will convert into the .cz. Okay, and just to extract, you can use gunzip or gunzip, you can say, and give star. It will simply extract. So these are the three commands which we covered: tar, zip, and gzip. So you can use all these in suppose if you want to compress or extract, and yeah, that's all for this video. And if you have any questions, please ask us in the comment section. Thank you for watching.